Hi, Bianca. Well, we're in week four. I sent you a midterm grade. Um, Better discussion this week. You got it in earlier, but remember to engage and respond back to me when I send out post. The other thing too is you can still submit that last assignment for week three. So moving into week four, we're going to be talking about writing a thesis and the structure of a paper or an essay, right? So thesis statement is your main idea statement. What are you going to say in your paper? And I'm sure you write well. I'm sure you know that already. And then this type of essay or this type of paper that we're going to be talking about is a 5-paragraph reflective paper. And I think I told you last week that's one of my favorite types of writing. I love reflective writing. I love journaling. It helps build writing skills, but I also think that it helps build creative thinking and creative writing, as well as it adds to your personal life and your personal well-being. There's research out there that says that reflective or journal writing help people heal faster when they're experiencing certain illnesses or in a hospital, or even traumatic or mental or emotional issues. Journaling or reflective writing helps people actually heal from that. And so it's very beneficial. I don't know if you journal, but if you don't, I encourage you to do that. So in this week, you're going to be going over main idea writing and your 5-paragraph reflective essay. You have 3 assignments this week. First one being you're going to just develop a thesis statement or a main idea statement for your reflective essay. And then you're going to come up with some supporting ideas for that main idea in assignment 4.2. And then in 4.3, you're actually going to add some descriptions to that and add some meat to that. You're not actually writing a paper. You're going to just kind of think it through in these 3 assignments, okay? I think next week you'll actually turn in the paper. So that's all you have for this week. It should be pretty quick and easy. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to contact me. And have a good week. Thank you.